How to link PSN or PlayStation account into Steam. Now in this quick video, I'll show you one of the specific method for you to be able to link your PSN account into your Steam account. Now you won't be able to do this directly from Steam if you go into this tab right here and then heading straight into settings. That feature is no longer available via Steam. So you really need to do it onto the PSN's official website, which is going to be this one. So once you're here, make sure that you log in into your Steam account. Once you've successfully logged in, at the top right, access your account management profile, and then under link accounts, just simply locate Steam and choose on link. Now, the other thing that you can do is to log in via into your Sony account because this is correlated into PSN. Once you've successfully logged in, do the same drill, go into account management and link Steam. And that's the most convenient way for you to be able to link PSN or PlayStation account into Steam.